Good to go then. So again, we'll be having a App Studio. Now I am navigating to the App Studio. So where, see here, there is a guided tour. Okay, no need to. Okay, so this is a guided tour. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is a App Studio environment. Okay. From let's come from the left side. See here, we will be having overview. Okay. So we'll be having an overview where, okay, see here, we'll be having a version 8.6.0 personas, and I will be saying about the personas. We'll have a dedicated class, channels as well, case types, data objects as well. Okay. And next, case type. So see here in the Dev Studio as well, we have this option called case types. Okay. And we'll be having a data layer, we can say. And in Dev Studio as well, we'll be having a data explorer and having a channels. So what are the options available in the channel means we'll be having a portal. Okay, so portal. So let's discuss on portal for a couple of minutes. Like all these options are available only in the App Studio. Like they will have the options in the Dev Studio as well. Okay, so like we can create this portal from Development Studio as well. Like see here, portal. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so portal. So portal is nothing but what a user interface. For suppose you in live applications, right? In a live in a real-time applications. So we'll be having a few portals. Like for suppose for end user, you will be having a user portal, okay, or customer portal or employee portal, we can say. Okay, that means you only see only readable and you can perform only few actions. For suppose an Amazon app, right? So that is for what? That is for end user portal. Okay, so Amazon will also have its own portal for delivery boys. Okay, they can say the delivery boy portals. Okay, and Amazon can have the other one which they can provide the privileges and they can access the statistics, marketings, and as well they can control the marketings as well. They can have the admin portal. Okay, developer portal. Okay, so all these portals which we can develop from here as well. So this is the one of the options to create the portal, and you can customize the portal as well. Okay, so this is a broad information on the portal. Okay, so we have a dedicated class for this portal in coming days. Yeah, in that session we can have a broad discussion on that with a real time scenarios, and we can develop the real time as well. And next, you have a mashups, we can say. So this is a very advanced concept, but it's good to know. We can, uh, which we can perform few of the options on the web mashup. Okay, it's advanced concept. I will be saying in a comment session. Okay, and we'll having a mobile, digital messaging, email integration, web chats and Alexa. We can have these integrations. Okay, so let's go on the preview now how it looks. See here. So since we haven't configured anything, right? So this is the desktop version. You can say desktop version. Okay, and see here mobile version. Okay, so this option is not available at the Dev Studio up to my knowledge. Okay, see here. This is so responsiveness. Okay, so this is responsiveness. Response is nothing but what? Irrespective of the mobile, this one, right? Irrespective of the mobile, irrespective of the tab, or irrespective of any other mobile devices, right? See here, everything is inline. We no need to adjust manually. Okay, so Pega does its job automatically. Pega, PRPC understand your need, and as well as it resulted in a such a way that it is responsiveness. See here, we'll be having an iPhone, like all these things we can have very well do that. See here. Okay, so right now we are at desktop version, right? We can very well do that. So this is a preview. which we can see. Okay, you can exit this preview and we can see case types, and we have seen, right? And we'll having a live UI as well, like we'll be having, see here. These are nothing but developer of debugging tools. Okay, so as I said that we will be having a dedicated session for a debugging tools like live UI, tracer, and clipboard. Okay, so in that session we can have that. Okay, so right now it's good to go that we have this app studio where we can perform it's meant for a low code kind of thing. Okay, so like this, all these things, user management, organization, authentication, everything we can do. See here, mobile certifications, email accounts, branding and themes, configurations. Okay, during the Dev Studio, I said that we can change it at organization level, right? So this is the one, branding and themes. So once you click that one, right? Now what happens? We can change at the whole level. See here in branding and themes, a logo plus application name, we can very well do that. This is a logo. This is a logo which we can easily change that one. Okay, we can customize so that it will reuse to the other top layer applications as well. Okay, this is a branding kind of thing, right? Let's go with the themes. Let's go with the theme. Okay, I'm not saying. Yeah, see here. So these are beautiful options we have. See here, it uses a term called CSS. Okay, stylings. Okay, so during that Dev Studio, I treated that CSS. See here, a number of options we have. So this is a default one. That's why we are seeing what blue color and white color, and this one, see here. Okay, so if you change to this one, right, automatically it will impact on the other application which is built on. Why? Because we are building it what at a base level, right? I mean organization level. Okay, so have you observed that? So wherever whenever you visit to any app or any platform, right? So they will have a consistent, they will have a dedicated branding and themes. But suppose if you visit the Amazon app, Amazon.com, and we'll be having a Myntra as well, Myntra.com. Let's see, it's very slow. See here, this is the color. See here, wherever you go, right? See here the buttons. Okay, destructor. See here, white and some yellow color. See here. Okay, see here, these buttons, all these things, you will easily understand. You will easily understand, right? So this is important. And next you will be having a, oh, I didn't select Myntra. See here, for Myntra it having what? See here, this color. Okay, see here, this color. Everything is in this color. See here, new, this color. Okay, see here. Okay, so for this kind of operations, okay, we can very well use here. Okay, like, so if you want to build your own themes, right, you can do this one from edit CSS. Okay, so this is the one. If you build like this, right, so it will impact on the top level built on applications as well, so that it can reuse that one. Okay, so this is the beautiful options available in the App Studio. Okay, so if you have any questions in the App Studio, then we can discuss. So now we are navigating into the Admin Studio, where we can see the resources. Okay, requesters, jobs, queue processor, listeners, file listeners or email listeners, whatever, agents, agent queues, request pools, node classifications. Now see here, in the starting of the session, I have iterated few of the rules, right? Few of the unique terms, right? So these are the terms, see here, requesters, jobs, queues, queue processor, listeners. So these are the resources, these are the things which only available at the Admin Studio, which we can trace, which we can perform few actions, we can customize as well. okay, in order to perform the background backend operations. Okay, see here. These are nothing but active users. We have 75 agents. We have created 39 jobs. One node is obviously we are using the local edition, local, right? Local, this thing, right? Local host. So that's why only one node is running. Okay, but in real time there will be a number of nodes. Okay, so based on the availability and based on the this thing, right? It will change. See here in mobile settings and manage cache, and in settings we'll be having a system and node, system runtime context and tools. So these are the very important concepts. Okay, so whatever we have, each and every options, right, at admin studio. Okay, always remember that. So these are the very important concepts and that will be useful at the interview questionnaires. Okay, so in coming classes at advanced topic we have a advanced Pega, right? So in that we have a elaborate sessions with the real-time scenarios as well, so that you need to work on all these things. Like we have a requesters, jobs, and everything. We need to say it as a background operations. Okay, background rules we can say. Okay, you need to work and you need to perform many tasks, many real-time tasks as well. Okay. So for now, it's good to go that, and it's inculcate in your mind that admin studio for what if we need to perform a app backend operations. Like what are the background operations? Like all these things. Okay. And next coming into the production studio. Okay, so production studio no one will explain. Why? Because it's out of scope. Okay, at up to CSL, CWSL level as well, but it's good to go and good to know. Okay, whatever the options available in the Pega production studios. Okay, see here we'll be having a models. Okay, okay, it's always uses the AI, and as well as we can say nest based actions. Okay, so if I tell all these things, you won't understand. Okay, so whatever the data sets and historical data we have, okay, you don't understand first of all. Why? Because it's a very unique term and which we won't use for a couple of years as well. Okay, so let's about this prediction studio. Just always listen that prediction studio useful for what? Useful for AI generation, and as well it uses the it executes the AI, it helps to take care of AI, and as well as it always uses the nest-based actions so that it can predict the business use, it can predict the uh, you know user needs, business users needs, so that they can have the great improvement and enhancements towards the growth, company growth, company customers acquisitions, and as well as a marketing level as well. Okay, so I am switching back to the Dev Studio. Okay, so this is our Dev Studio. Okay, so yesterday, I think yesterday or in previous earlier sessions, we had a great discussion on the each and every topic, right? Like we have a Explorer, Case Type Explorer, Data Type Explorer, App Explorer, Records Explorer, and Favorites Explorer. Okay, so today what you need to do means we have sent a link, right? Okay, so try to go to that, try to navigate to that link. Okay, just click on that. Okay, it asks us to download, right? So click on the download and then install. Okay,